everyone. Thank you for joining us again with our last video series here that we have with Dave Morton from George Mason Mortgage. Today we are going to end our series with talking about the refinance process. Now, if you didn't check out our last two videos, we talked about the mortgage lending process. We also talked about how to improve your credit scores if that's something that you're concerned about. So today we are going to focus on the refinance process. So now you've been in your home for a little bit. Maybe you got your home at a higher interest rate. Maybe interest rates have now lowered. First of all, tell us about the refinance process.
The process, Simone, is very similar to the purchase transaction. As we stated, you typically have to have at least 6 payments on record for most programs. And it's, again, you're submitting an application, we're processing that application, or in most cases we're going to have another appraisal pulled.
Gotcha.
There are closing costs. However, you can finance the closing costs into the new loan.
Oh, nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome, awesome. So what are some of the benefits of the refinance? I think we covered one. So one could be just we want to lower our mortgage payment, right? So those are some of the things that now can assist in a refinance. Is one, you're going to get a lower interest rate. And I think we also discussed the possibility of eliminating the property mortgage insurance. Am I saying that right? PMI?
That's a key reason.
Okay.
Yes, that's one excellent reason to refinance. First of all, there has to be a net tangible benefit.
Okay.
We're not allowed to refinance. The lending laws are going to dictate the terms. But if you look in the paper, hear on the radio that rates are lower than what you have right now, you may want to give us a call. The benefits outside of lowering your monthly payment may very well involve switching out to a lower term. Maybe you want a 20-year term. Maybe you want a 15-year mortgage.
Oh, that's true. Yes, that's true. So therefore, if you had a 30-year, say you've been in your home already 10, 15 years, and you were looking, maybe you've built up some equity, but you don't want to pull out any cash, you just want a lower payment. Those are some things that you can consider then is the refinance.
Indeed,
okay.
Indeed.
And then we talked about also if there were any setbacks at all to a refinance, other than resetting the clock. I guess we would be resetting the clock, so to speak, right? I mean, because you're kind of buying your home again. Is that kind of it?
Well, once again, there clearly has to be a defined benefit to the homeowner. If you've been in the house for 23 years, you have the option to go do a new 30-year if you want that absolute lowest payment. You may decide that you want to shave 3 years and a whole lot of home finance interest and drop over to a 20-year. So,
okay. What is the lowest that you can go with a refinance? I think you said maybe like 15 years.
10 years.
Oh, 10 years.
10 years.
Okay, wonderful.
10-year products.
Okay, awesome. Well, that's great. Well, now, how long does the whole refinance process take?
30 days from start to finish.
Okay.
From applications tendered, and it's we actually are turning loans in most cases in 21 days.
Oh, nice.
So 30 is a nice round number.
Okay, so you hear that, folks? You can actually expect to have a lower payment within 1 month, possibly, right? Awesome. Well, thank you, Dave. We want to thank you for this last and final series that we've had with Dave Morton here at George Mason Mortgage. Thank you for joining us. And if you have any questions for Dave, please feel free to leave some comments in the comments section. Or, Dave, how do we get a hold of you?
Well, the best is my cell phone. I take it everywhere.
We'll leave that in the link below too. We can all details on how to get a hold of Dave are going to be in the comments section. You can reach out to him if you're thinking about buying or refinancing. Dave does it all here at George Mason Mortgage. He's been in the business over 30 years, a wealth of knowledge, and we're just so happy to have you here and taking the time here to talk to us.
That's my pleasure. Thanks for having me, Simone.
Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you.